How to fix Samsung Galaxy S26 overheating. If your new Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra is getting so hot it feels like it's about to melt in your hand, you are definitely not alone. First, a quick warning: if your S26 is brand new, if you just unboxed it in the last 48 hours, some heating is completely normal. Your phone is aggressively indexing files, restoring cloud backups, and learning your usage patterns in the background. Give it 3 days, but if it's been weeks and your phone still turns into a pocket heater while doing basic tasks like scrolling social media, we need to change how your system handles powers. Alright, step number 1 is the biggest lifesaver for S26 thermal issues. Open up your settings. So go into settings. Then we scroll down and tap on device care. From here, scroll down to performance profile. And in here, make sure you change this from standard to light. Now don't worry, this does not ruin your gaming performance, it just changes how the processor handles basic apps like Instagram or Chrome, prioritizing cooling efficiency and battery health over absolute peak processing speeds. Your phone will run noticeably cooler and you honestly won't feel a drop in everyday speed. Step number 2 is fixing heat spikes while charging. If your phone gets hot on the wire, check your charging brick. The S26 series utilize extremely fast charging protocols. If you are using a cheap, unverified third-party charging block, it can mismatch voltage and cause massive heat buildup. Stick to a verified power delivery PPS charger, and please remove your thick plastic protective case while charging. Heavy rugged cases like this act like an insulation blanket, trapping heat directly against the phone glass back panel. Step number 3 is killing rogue background apps. Go back into settings, tap on battery, and in here click into the background app usage limits. So in here click on background usage limits and look for put on your apps to sleep. Make sure this toggle button is turned on, and then we go into deep sleeping apps. Manually add power hungry social apps like TikTok or Meta services such as Facebook. This completely locks them down when closed, preventing background process from looping and forcing your CPU to overheat. Finally, step number 4 is to check your display settings. Running extra brightness all day or leaving your screen timeout to 10 minutes, keeping the display panel drawing massive amount of electricity, creating physical heat right under your thumb. So in here we go into display and go down, turn off any unnecessary settings. In here, turn off adaptive brightness. If extra brightness is turned on, make sure it is turned off. Then go to the top and choose dark mode if possible. If you don't mind using dark mode, switch to a dark mode. That will keep your screen darker and it will use less power. Now go down to the bottom and tap on motion smoothness. In here, make sure we select standard so your screen refresh rate only refreshes at 60 Hz. And this option is especially useful if you are traveling in hot weather. Okay, so to quickly recap, flip your performance profile to light mode, ditch the third-party chargers, and watch social apps into deep sleep. If this video helped cool your S26 down, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight to the point tech fixes. Thanks for watching this video.